Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating underground utilities and getting any required permit. This avoids fines and hazards. Next, cut off fronds and the skirt to expose the trunk so you can see the cutting line clearly. Make an initial horizontal relief cut about 1/4 up from your planned notch, then score a top notch to control fall direction. You do this to prevent unpredictable splitting and to keep the tree falling where you want it. Once the trunk is down, you cut it into manageable 3-4 foot sections for safe handling and transport. Then dig a trench around the stump down to the main root flare, exposing roots so you can sever them with a reciprocating saw, chainsaw, or grinder. This reduces resistance when pulling. If the root ball is large, use a winch or tractor for leverage. Make sure to attach straps to solid trunk segments to prevent slipping and injury. To finish, you grind or dig the stump to 4 to 6 inches below grade so you can replant or level the surface. This prevents regrowth and hides tripping hazards. Backfill the hole with topsoil, compact gently, and seed or place new plants. This heals the lawn and prevents settling. If the stump fractures or the tree starts splitting unpredictably, stop work, stabilize the area, reassess your cuts, and call a professional rigger if needed to avoid property damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.